When there's been a shark incident in New South Wales, DPI immediately get a report of the incident, and we as the scientists try to determine the species and the size of the shark that's involved. The reason for this is to be able to advise the managing authorities as to whether any additional bather safety measures need to be put in place. We work with several different authorities, including New South Wales Surf Lifesaving, the New South Wales Police, and obviously ambulance and hospitals, to determine the safety of the person that's been involved, make sure that first response is adhered to at all times, and then to make a decision on whether or not a beach is closed. We try to get photographs of the victim's injuries and or the surfboard to try to assess the style of bite that's involved. We look at the gap between the teeth, we look at the type of imprint in the surfboard or the style of damage to the tissue on the victim, and in that way we try to determine the species that's involved. The reason we try to identify the shark species that's involved is because each species of shark has a slightly different behavior and different movement patterns. Some sharks will tend to stay in an area for prolonged periods, whereas other sharks literally are just swimming through. So depending on the species of shark will depend on what type of mitigation action needs to be put in place.